Hi everyone. In this React.js video tutorial, we are going to learn how we can check the prop types in the React.js. Okay, so we will do it with a very simple example, but first question is why we have to check the prop types. So the reason is like you did the validations with the form or you check the data with the API. Sometimes you need to check the data. Is it coming in the correct format? Like sometimes you need to check the data. Is it string? Is it the numeric? Is it the boolean? Or if the props is undefined, then we have to use default value and everything. So we will learn these things with a very simple example. So let's get started with that. Okay, so first of all I have to create one more file, which is the check.js file. Okay, so here just copy and paste the code to save the time, because time is very important thing. Okay, so we put the check the class name same as the what's same as the file name. Alright, and we have to import the same name also, so there is no error for now. Alright, okay, so just import this file here, import this from import check from where these they have the same folder. Okay, so let's check there is no error. Alright, and pass the props here. Okay, so name is Peter. Oops. Okay, because we put the wrong slash at the wrong place. Alright, so do it with the small contents. Okay, alright. Now we have to import a file to check the validation, check the prop types, which is the import prop types from props underscore types. This is the inbuilt component of the React.js. Alright, so let's check, is it fine? Yeah, this is fine. So now we have to do some checking here. Check, this is the component name dot props type. Props type should be the small p, and put the okay, before that we have to print the props type, which is this dot props dot name, and let's check that. Okay, hello Peter is here. Okay, so now what is your prop name is the name, so check here name and prop types dot string. If this is not string, then it will give you the warning in the console area. Okay, so what the issue is now? Okay, so we have to remove the semicolon. That's my bad habit. Prop types is not defined. It's my bad. It's a prop types, not prop type. This is still giving the issue. oops. Alright, now that's fine. Prop type not defined. What the hell is going on here? Okay, that's fine now. Alright, so now just change it with the 1 2 3 and check here, and you can see that there is a invalid data, which is, you can see that, which is it is telling that failed props type and invalid prop name in the number. So if I put here string like Peter, this warning will be invisible. Alright, so same as I can check here the number, and it will give you the warning same, because it should be the number, because this is expecting the number and the coming is string. Alright, so that's why this is the way how you can check the prop types. There is a lots of prop types, then for that you can check prop types in React.js. I'm giving a link from here. You will got the where is this link? Yes, let's go here, and here you will find the lots of the kind of checking, like the boolean, node, and okay, so go here and you can see that there's the array, boolean, function, number, object, string, the symbols, and many types of there. Okay, so you want to check the default value. Just do the same thing here, and suppose the name is equal to stranger. If did not pass the name, then it should be the default value. Okay, greeting. Oops, my bad. I have to check here with the replace the greeting with a check here. Check. Here is a string, because there is a no value in these props, and if we put some value, then it will show the original props, and if prop is undefined, then it will show default value, which is come from here. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you have any kind of suggestion to make the video, then you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.